Good evening, traders. I hope everyone had a decent day today. We posted couple of calls and we did decently well, right? I took three trades. In fact, I was on buying on dip today, and I've carried a hedge for tomorrow. I've carried a hedge. Good chance that it will become zero. I in fact invested nearly 10-15% of my profit, right, in the hedge. Even if it becomes zero, not worried. But mind was saying something interesting is going to happen tonight with FOMC review on the interest rates and they coming back, right? Surprisingly, today the VIX did not rise. The volatility did not rise. Again, month end, many people are squaring off their options, could be the reason. For some reason, right? The way premiums are right now for Nifty and Bank Nifty, they are at least Bank Nifty is cool, but Nifty is not justifying the high premiums that you are seeing right now. So the way I am seeing it, tomorrow could be a day where they will grind both sides and make everything zero. A very high probability. Today, the for people who have not watched yesterday's video, please watch. I had said they will grind us, right? They will grind us completely. So today the premium movement was very controlled. 60-80 points here, there, then one flash fall, 60-80 points here, there. I had taken three. There was one option selling trade where I said a flash fall will come. I kind of enjoyed that trade the most. I made 1:3 there. The rest trades, option buying, did not enter with good capital. The reason is the market is also at a very crucial juncture, right? It is not giving you any single sided move, and the way the structure is there, right now people want to take market up once more, but because of event they were hammering it down, right? So you cannot do much there. Now let's get into Bank Nifty chart, right? So Bank Nifty chart, daily chart, right? The fall came with a demand. Today that demand area got retested and again the buying came. Right now the problem is Bank Nifty is between 46,153 and 45,847. Tomorrow Bank Nifty can shuttle between these 300 point range, right, and will not get anything. So for me a proper movement will only come now once it breaks 46,160 or it closes below 45,840. Otherwise there is nothing. Weekly candle was bullish, daily candle here was bearish, but market is in a bullish phase, right? They have discounted everything, so there is nothing which can stop the bulls right now. Probably if you even have some big macro event, even there the bulls will come charging back saying that I want to take it to 50,000, right? That is the state of the market. Now if you look at this, right, clear cut case of volatility contraction, gave a breakout here, retested the breakout and then went up. Now for tomorrow this level becomes utmost importance, this entire zone, right? Ideally if you want to trade on the bullish side, you need an opening between 45,940 to 46,050. You need consolidation of 15-20 minutes and then up. Move towards 45. See again, flat opening, consolidation here and upside, you would get 100 200 points to trade, so your option will go up by 60 to 80 points. Knowing the way option sellers are managing it, they can crash the VIX to 5-6 levels and then not 5-6 but technically but 9.8 10.2 levels to ensure that your movement is hampered. Interestingly, there is also a nice liquidity created here, right? So if market breaks 45,950 and gives a solid body closing here, right, below 45,890, you can trade it for the levels of 45,732. So tomorrow flat opening is going to be very confusing. Gap up opening, it should open between 46,220 to 46,120. Retest, forms a bullish candle and then goes up. We can again take 30 40 50 points in option. For tomorrow I will not look at a trending move. Again, there is a news, let the news play out, let the traders come back and see how they are reacting to the news, and then we can get in and try to make our trades, but do not keep very high expectations for market for tomorrow. You will be disappointed. That is what I have seen in the past as well with the FOMC meet. Until and unless there is some drastic change, very bullish commentary or very hawkish commentary, you would not see any major movement coming there. Yeah. Now again on the other side, right, Let's look at component chart. So component charts, everything was scattered, right? If you see HDFC Bank traded, I said it is near resistance, it can fall, right? ICICI Bank. So tomorrow the trend could continue. They will continue to use these two banks against each other. ICICI Bank was at support, it went up, right? It is neutral to bullish, and I think the trend will continue tomorrow. Axis Bank went along with this. Now Axis Bank, the problem is till it breaks 985 there is no move, till it breaks 961 there is no move. So Axis Bank is neutral to, as in it's completely flat, right? So I have no view there. Kotak Mahindra Bank actually gave a bullish move. Now above 1903 you can see a move towards 1940. Tomorrow may not be the day considering it's a monthly expiry, but now you should keep Kotak Mahindra Bank in your radar for one up move. SBI went up, but SBI I think will consolidate even tomorrow. There is an event in SBI separately wherein they will declare their results. IndusInd flat to bullish, right? So I think tomorrow the plan is simple. They will use HDFC ICICI Bank to pull out premiums out of thin air and ensure that we go home empty handed, right? Be very cautious. I think I may avoid trading in the first half. If there is some good setup formed, I will give an afternoon trade. For tomorrow, Hero Zero may be worthless. No point chasing Hero Zero. The premiums are very high, so you may not see any movement there. That is how I am looking at the market for tomorrow, right? So let's see, as in if we get an afternoon setup, we'll trade it. If we don't get it, I will not want to force a trade. 3 days we have decent money. I think we can let tomorrow pass away and then we can decide. So spot and component chart clearly talking to different stories. Now given the way market moved, right, this chart on the option side is also not that clean, but if you see, you can see a channel being formed here. If this one opens between 259 and 303, consolidates and then takes out, you have targets of 383 and 410. Call side, very confusing. You need an opening between 164 and 188 in 46,000 call, and then a push above. You can get targets of 207 and 237. Personally, the way the option is written, tomorrow's market can confuse the retail buyer. If you have made money, avoid. I will show you the reason why. While market traded the entire day above 46,000, if you see, the call writer is still holding his position. Put writer has started writing, but these are all new writers, right? So tomorrow the move, if it opens gap up above 46,060, will be restricted at 46,200. If it breaks 46,000, move will be restricted at 45,900. So they have constricted the range to 200 300 points. Till the fresh writing comes, we have no clue where they want to take the market. In terms of option writing, if you see, the shorts have been built throughout. Now is it to take advantage of margin or what, we don't know, but you can see there is a healthy short build up in the market on both the sides, right? So you may have to take it with a pinch of salt and try and plan your trade, but looks like market will confuse us, right? Looks like market will confuse us. And again, reduce your quantity to 5 or 10%. Don't try to be very adventurous here. It's okay to let certain days pass, right? This is the story on Bank Nifty. Now Nifty, right, is slightly more clear. Nifty 50 is slightly more clear, and the reason is Reliance is pulling Nifty 50 up. So if you see here, right, it took the support of swing, went up, took the resistance, and now is consolidating. Tomorrow, Nifty, if it opens gap down below 19,667, I will think of shorting. Else you see there is a good trend line here. This trend line flat opening, right? If it breaks, I will take a trade for the gap filling. Else opens between 19,790 and 19,820, takes out this area. My targets are 19,886 and 19,950. All probability we can see those levels tomorrow, right? So again, the message is very loud and clear. Let's not venture. Nifty looks better. Nifty components also, right, if you see, look to be in a decent shape as compared to Bank Nifty. So if you see, Nifty IT actually gave a good run. And FMCG gave a good run. Tomorrow, watch Nifty IT and let's try and see how the components are placed. I said Reliance and Infi both looked good for long, right? So if you see Reliance did the gap filling, right, yesterday. Reliance above 2545 can go all the way to 2612, but I think tomorrow they will not give you guys a decent move there. Infosys, I again said, is poised for an up move. Now tomorrow it can either consolidate or go to 1360 and 1378. Guys, Infosys looks good for an up move. Nifty in all probability, if Nifty IT supports, right, Nifty can go up. Bank Nifty is looking confusing. I would prefer to trade on Nifty, especially on the long side. So friends, that's it. For anyone who has been watching our video and has not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, switch on the notification so that you get a notification whenever we are taking a live session or whenever we are posting any content. If you like the quality of our analysis, please share it with your friends and family members. We also have a Telegram channel where you can join, where we post our calls which are for educational purposes. So friends, that's it from my end. I want to wait and watch the market for next 2 days. I am not giving any stocks right now. Let this event pass, let the ECB event pass. Next week onwards, we'll see if we get a short or long side on the cash stocks. Thank you, friends. Hope everyone has a great expiry tomorrow. It's a monthly expiry. Do not let greed enter your mindset. Take it slow, make small money. All the best, friends. From on behalf of Catalyst Trading Institute, I wish all of you guys make decent money. Thanks.